friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. Those who are new subscribers, let me tell you about my channel. In this YouTube channel, I post regular videos related to research, how to improve your research writing skills, what are the updates from technology, which are softwares you need while performing research, and everything what is related to research. I have also designed a special session related to research talk where I come and have an interview or Q&A sessions with different expertise and experienced researchers or professors across the globe with a view to understand what are the challenges in their life and how they have overcome, and just to get inspired from their journey so that we can improve our research journey and enjoy it. So without wasting time, if you are looking for any of this video, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete playlist of research videos. Please watch till end because I'm going to show you how I have designed the video for each step that is needed in research. So friends, let's begin the demonstration. As you can see my screen, you can see the entire playlist related to research. I have covered the videos considering every point of research, what are the challenges in research and how you can tackle them. As you can see, the first is how to complete your PhD in effective stages. In this video, I have designed what are the exact stages of PhD. So to ensure yourself you are in which PhD and how you have to go forward for the next stage. This can be easily understood with this video. The next one comes is the top 5 questions before answering applying for PhD. You must know PhD is a research journey which is a different academic experience. It takes a lot of time, it requires continuous efforts, and patience is the key for PhD. So you must make sure yourself that you want to have a PhD. This can be answered in this question before you apply for PhD. Like, what are the 5 top questions that you must understand before applying for a PhD? This will give you a glimpse of like, are you ready for PhD? The next video in this research playlist is Finish PhD on Time. How you can take what are the main key stages so that it will help you to complete your PhD on time. Next one, how to structure research paper outline. This is a key important point while pursuing research. Most of the times we are confused in research journey. But with this video, you'll able to understand where you have to start your research paper drafting and how you can structure its outline very easily with the help of this video. The another video, as I mentioned, there are many tips and tricks which will help you to understand how you can do your research process, how you have to tackle with your research process, and definitely you must enjoy the journey of research. Things that are important you must know while pursuing PhD. The next video in this playlist, which is divided into 2 sections, that is how to read research paper easily. 2 videos. In this part of 2 videos, I have shown you different tricks and also how you can easily read the research. You have to read many research articles and papers during your research journey. So this will help you to read the research paper effectively and easily. So I do recommend everyone to watch these 2 videos if you are in this journey. The next video is about very interesting tool, that is Quillbot. It is an effective tool which helps you to summarize your paper using this tool. I do recommend every researcher to use this tool and convert a short summary of whatever you read for your research paper. In the next video comes in our list is benefits of research profile on ResearchGate, showing the importance of ResearchGate, why you need to have a ResearchGate profile and how it is helpful and important, and how you can connect with different researchers across the world using ResearchGate. There's another video which speaks about like how to create ResearchGate account without institutional ID. Definitely watching this video will be very helpful for you. The next video comes to this playlist is writing research review paper. Once you have started this journey of research, the first steps is to understand whatever the work has been done from the previous researchers or what is the past background in your research statement. So it do require to read lot of research papers, and then you have to write a literature survey of all the papers that you have been reading, and this requires lot of tricks and tips which I shared in this video. So I do recommend to watch this video, that is writing literature review paper, very easily. As research takes lot of patience, as research requires lot of patience and continuous efforts. So to be mentally and physically fit, we need some kind of inspiration from within. So I have designed the next video which speaks for like meditation must for every researcher. I have shown different tricks even for beginner who has not ever done meditation. But I have shown some tricks and tips from where they can start from day one doing meditation. And definitely you will see the benefits or improvements in your thought process, in your personality, in your research journey, in your results by doing meditation. So I again recommend here everyone out who is watching this video, do meditation and see how it changes your life. And I do recommend watching you this video, meditation must for every researcher. So we have to give some research presentations every now and then. In my next video, I have to give research presentation. I have shown you some methods and techniques which are beneficial to follow and you can easily present your research ideas. The next one is the deliver conference research presentation, because conference research presentation requires different types of tips to present conference research presentation. So I recommend you watch this video. As you guys can see, there are 22 videos in this complete playlist related to research. I have considered every small point related to research. In the next video, I have discussed like presentations related to research presentation, how you can effectively deliver the conference research presentation because it requires different skill set. The next video speaks about academic job interview, which involves different preparation techniques and you can easily learn using this video. So friends, you can see I have created different videos considering every small step in research, because during my PhD I was looking for some kind of motivation and inspiration to go ahead in my research journey, and I feel that this happens with every researcher. Considering those problems and how I overcame those challenges, I prepared and I drafted this complete series where I have taken the care of every small point, like how to avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism is very common in researchers' life. So, but you can deal with different small tricks and tips that can help you to avoid plagiarism. So, I do recommend watching you this video. Being a researcher must know about impact factor, H-index, and how you can easily find your H-index. So, then I have shown video related to how to use MathsPick snipping tool, which converts the difficult equations into LaTeX code very easily. You must try and use this tool and you must watch this video. So next video, it speaks about academic databases, which are the top academic databases and where you will find all the authenticated research articles, blogs, book chapters easily. So I do recommend all of you to watch this entire complete playlist which contains 22 videos. Hope that these videos will help you in some or other way to go easy with your research journey and you enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research. See you in next video. I hope you got all your points covered related to research journey. If you have anything in mind that I haven't covered, please write a comment below so that I'll make videos on the same concept. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.